Why speed matters in business world? Speed is doing things faster, attempting things faster, learning and relearning things by failure, doing things constantly. If you wait a lot so that you can perfect these things, you can perfect that particular business, or you can perfect that particular gym, or you can perfect anything, you will have to waste a lot of time when you are waiting about perfection. But when you consider speed, doing speed at any time, any chance given, let's say you are a businessman or you're a businesswoman and a client calls you and tells you, let's meet at next week, you ought to tell him, oh, next week is too far. Can I come at your place maybe 3 days after 3 days? Or can we meet tomorrow? Just send yourself, do your things perpetually, be on time, do things, go to that particular client, go to that particular market, go to that particular customer. Speed, speed, speed. I emphasize on speed. Success loves speed. Let's take this example of an aeroplane. This is an aeroplane, and these are the clouds. You see, the aeroplane is moving so fast, it's carrying these all luggages and these people because it is moving with speed. If this aeroplane tries to reduce its momentum, then it ought to fail. It will fail because it is not using enough speed. If there is no speed, then this particular aeroplane will not move. Let's also take this example. Let's say a boxing match. The instructor will tell you, punch harder, punch harder. It doesn't mean when you are punching harder, you disquality your punches. No, you punch harder with a lot of energy so that you can win against your opponents. But when you are punching slower and you are so weak and you are so slow, your opponent may overpower you and he may win or she may win over you. So speed is everything in life. I have a friend of mine. He told me the other day he wanted to start a business. And I meet him a week later and I'll ask him, where is the business? And he tells me, what business? You are wasting a whole week. That is a whole week of experiencing losses, a whole week of experiencing business, a whole week of experiencing how things are being run. But you're taking a whole week and you're forgetting about the business and you're asking me, what's business? So people are not serious. They don't have time frame. They say time and tide wait for no man. Time will tell. Time is everything. Time is more important than money. Time. So let's put speed in everything we do, whether in our businesses, whether it's spiritual, whether it's health. You ought to run faster when you're in a marathon. If Eliud Kipchoge, let's take this example. If Eliud Kipchoge or David Rudisha or Chip whatever, if they didn't put so much speed on their running, they couldn't have been in the books of history today in our nation. So I emphasize on speed very energetically and very strongly because speed is everything that matters in this life. I will leave you with this. Move fast, learn fast, and win fast, or else you will be left behind. Thank you so much. This is our intake today. Welcome to Sango Insights.